Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Fantasticar most commonly shows up via the Season Battle Pass or limited-time event tracks, so the first step is checking the current season calendar and patch notes every week. It can also rotate into the in-game shop for purchase with credits or premium currency, and sometimes returns during rerun promotions. Treat these three sources, Battle Pass, events, and shop, as primary acquisition windows. Plan around them so you can allocate resources and prioritize unlocking or buying Fantasticar while availability is live. Focus on daily and weekly quests because they can net about 50 to 200 credits each session. Completing multiple quests each day is the fastest steady income. Save at least 200 credits or 500 premium tokens to buy Fantasticar when it appears in the shop or Season Pass offers a buyout. Participate in limited events and target 30-minute daily play sessions to finish event tracks quickly, and bank event tokens so you are ready the moment Fantasticar becomes available. If a crafting option exists, only craft Fantasticar after you are confident there will not be an imminent rerun, because crafting costs around 2,000 crafting tokens and is non-refundable. Wait for a sale or bundle and spend on a direct purchase versus buying multiple small packs. Bundles commonly include bonus items and save you at least 20%. Use tracking tools and community schedules to predict reruns so you avoid impulsive spending and maximize value when Fantasticar returns to the shop or Battle Pass.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.